to create the grid, we're going to change the background color to how you want it to be. For this, I chose the dark red color. So go to the backgrounds and grids feature, select the background you want, so mine is dark red, and the spacing to 35 by 35. It doesn't matter what the values are, as long as the vertical and the horizontal spacing should be the same. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle, a 10 by 10 rectangle, as a guide for my grid, which I will use for my hundreds place value. Now using a snipping tool, I copy and paste my shape. For Windows, I use Shift, Windows and S as my snipping tool. Now we've done that one. I'm going to do the same with the tens place value. So that is just one row of 10 units. Doing the same as well for my units. So using the snipping tool, I just copied and paste them on Bitpaper. So now I'm going to change the background color back to black, and the copied shapes should show up quite well. And these are the shapes. Now you can, when you want to resize your shape, make sure you click on Shift and while you're resizing them, so as not to distort it. So I'm going to be creating a percentage grid next, and we're doing exactly the same as what we did then, except that the color I'll be using now as background will be white. So I'm going to create the rectangle again as a guide. So I'm going to draw a 10 by 10 rectangle. So I'm using the red color this time so that it will show quite well. So this is my 10 by 10 grid. So using my snipping tool, copied and pasted it. And that is now my percentage grid. So when I change the background again, back to black, so my percentage grid shows up really well. Now if I want to color the first row using a highlighter, so that's I'm effectively coloring 10 out of 100, and that is 10%.